Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we are going to be doing this really pretty kind of yellow and brown. It's kind of mustardy or sunflower or just goldenrod shade. I am loving this simple look using the Wet n Wild Coffin Break palette, and this is my favorite out of all the Halloween palettes I picked up, you can tell. And as always, to get started, we're using a primer to prime our eyelids. Today we're using the Covergirl lid lock, and we're using the Wet n Wild Coffin Break palette, and I'm going to take that brown transition shade, just a slightly darker shade than skin tone. It's matte, and I am just going to apply that with a blending brush into the crease with windshield wiper motions, and I'm just really going to work that in, buff that in. And this look is so easy and simple, and you can do this with any shades. I mean, you can do a brown in your transition shade or crease area like I am, and then add just about any lid color, and it is absolutely stunning. So we're going to take the goldenrod shade or the mustard like yellow and apply that all over the lid, and I'm just using a flat shader to do this, and I'm just messily placing it on the lid. And I'm just gonna bring that just a tad onto the crease shade for blending purposes. And after we get our lid shade done, we're going to take our blending brush with the transition shade, and we're just going to blend that all together. I'm taking the Loreal Infallible eyeshadow in Endless Pearl. Not sure if you can find this anymore, but any brow bone highlight will work. This is matte. Wet n Wild has a really good one, Cream Brulee. It's been around forever. It's a good alternative for this one. I just have it in my drawer and I love it so much. But we're just going to apply that on the brow bone and blend all of our shades together. I'm just going to tightline with the Jordana 12-hour black point eyeliner pencil, and that's all I'm doing to the upper lash line. And I'm just going to put some white eyeliner in my waterline, and that is from LaColors, just to open the eye up. And I'm going to not do any shadows or anything like that on my lower lash line, but we are going to use the AOA Studio Cream Puff Highlighter in our inner corner. It's just going to brighten things up a bit more, open the eye a bit more, and I don't know, it just makes the look, in my opinion, a little bit more glamorous, or glam, just glam. And it's just so easy to achieve. The lashes I'm using are from Broadway, and they're in the design Flirty, and I'm using the Kiss Glue. These are easy to apply, and they are not, I feel like they're fairly natural looking. They're not overly dramatic, and that is my favorite thing about these lashes. And they are definitely just about on their way out, so I need to go grab another pair. They're so good. And this is just the Believe Beauty Fiber Dramatic Mascara, I believe is what it's called, and I just used that to mesh the lashes together. And for lips, we're using the True Matte Broadway lipstick in Happy Hour, and it is just a brown lipstick. I also think this look would look really good with nude lips or a nice burgundy shade. So we're going to set our face with the Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray, and I've been using this a lot lately. If you've not tried their setting sprays, please do. They are so good. I like them. They do help your makeup last all day long, and they got a nice fine mister on them. And yes, that is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the easy tutorial, and I'm telling you, any two shades that you want to pair together, like a brown transition and a color lid, it will work. Pair it with your favorite lip, and you are fall ready. It's that easy. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Check the description box for additional links, as well as a product list. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.